Imagine having an extra 5 hours every week to focus on high-priority tasks, rather than spending it on repetitive, mundane chores. This is exactly what Zapier can help you achieve by automating your workflow with its seamless integrations. Zapier is an automation tool that connects various apps and services to streamline your tasks, freeing up more time for what matters. In this video, we'll explore 5 real workflows you can set up in minutes, saving you time and increasing productivity. First off, let's talk about the benefits of automation. In today's fast-paced work environment, it's essential to have a system that saves you time and reduces stress. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on more critical tasks, such as meeting deadlines, collaborating with team members, and driving business growth. Now, let's dive into the 5 workflows you can set up using Zapier. Workflow 1. Automatic task assignment from email. Imagine receiving